WWE, baby.
Welcome back, guys. You're still tuning in to Timeline Radio Sports, your number one sport podcast. So can we move on to another topic?
Yes.
So the other topic was about the goalkeeper Ronwen Williams being overrated. So some of the fans say that our number one best goalkeeper Williams has been, like, they believe that he's being overrated and he benefits from playing a dominant from the Sundowns team. So I want us to touch on that. Do you think Naya rating performance yake late, like, do you think he's being overrated, or maybe it's one of those bad games or people are just putting pressure on him?
Yeah. Because as mina angazi, but I feel like ukuba goalkeeper kunzima bafethu, as like I feel kunzima because you are the last line of your defense, and whatever mistake enzakalayo at the end of the day, mistake yakho once a goal langena akukho lula ukuthi rectifyeke ukubabo. So you are not even allowed to make mistakes. You are not even allowed ukuthi mhlambe ube ne bad day, like as a goalkeeper, unlike any other position egroundini ukuthi okay uyazi ukuthi if i-anchor yakho or i-10 number 10 yakho mangabe i-flop anyana ubana ngayikhavela and ubana nga-substitute ubana ngayenzani. So it's risky. So I wouldn't say ukuthi mhlambe overrated. I think Ronwen umaturile, like as we are all expecting ukuthi abo goalkeeper ba mature based on age yabo. The more ukhula, the more about like matured. Umaturile, so you will get those moments where ukuthi kunama player vele okanye ama team azomstadisha ampithe wherever la a good corner, because it's a competition, this thing. If you're going to play against the Sundowns, you need to look at, I remember Duba like said coach Ushid ukuthi uSuarez unama mistake nanani, we will capitalize lapho. So such things, they happen. So if someone manage ukuthi amastare weakness yakho, then expose it up, it does not mean with Manchester City you are overrated or so. I feel good in Gemini. It's one of those bad days.
Same comments as Uchain. Williams good. I just think due to the performance. Akusasolo Williams asimjwayele yabo. So ipressure ivela lapho. Ukuthi sifuna maintain le performance esimazi ngayo. Because other than Williams asinayo omunye goalkeeper good njengaye. Basa developer laba abanye. Williams
Footwork.
Mina ngayo yonke into. Distribution yakhe good. Williams uya saver, and if you can check last AFCON there were matches la bekumele khona ngabe siphume early, but was save Williams, yabo. Angikhulumi ngama penalties, like ngikhuluma during the game.
Because you know what I feel, Askisu Kuphazamisa, I feel like, as I said before, like everyone who make game yakhe. Just to phuma ngane eceleni. I was watching game yazolo Orlando Pirates and I felt like Umuremi, there's something wrong guy. Umuremi first game yakhe wadlala and people were booing him, right? Then the second game ayidlala he scored, was winning like the MTN 8 ne. So whenever abambi bowler, like he just wanna be that guy. Like akacabangi other people. That's how I felt ukuthi some of the shots awathathile, like ngabe wanikeza Apollos or whoever was around to score, but because of usaselento ukuthi ke batla ube nna yabo, and then uba greedy, and at the end of the day team loser. So in things amugisho ukuthi Muremi played first game yakhe waba ne bad day, wadlala the second game waba like kwaba match yakhe, understand? It same applies to goalkeepers. I remember, if mina personally Williams benga, like it was not someone engangimbuka, you know, but after the AFCON ilanga thatha khona like I don't know ngaba interested kuye. I felt like iAfcon kwakunyaka wakhe. That's why he achieved so many things ngalo nyaka loyo weAfcon. You understand? So maybe now aso wakhe, hence why we see other goalkeepers maybe bevela. Same applies to players. People ba complaining ngabo Rile, let's say, and then sekvela abo Muremi, you know, being compared to in so each and every player in his cut side, like we I don't know if ngibeka right, but we can't be stars all of us at the same time or same game or same everything. I might have a good day today and a bad day ngakusasa. So don't you think ukuthi nagu William hiloko, like ukuthi probably AFCON was one of his best and kugcine lapha. He's the best goalkeeper, but kugcine lapha he's not gonna shine again. Isikhathi somunye umuntu ukuthi ashine manje.
No, okay. I think we sikhuluma into like efanayo ukuthi yes I challenge yaka goalkeeper ukuthi I position yakhe crucial. So any mistake ayenzayo lapha yana so kuba ngathi I value ya flop nana yabo. But ke in terms of ukuthi mhlawumbe singathi bekuyi AFCON and then kwaphelela lapho I don't think so. I think uWilliams Pani from lento bekayiyo like go Super Sports nanani to into afike waba yiyo like ku Sundowns ufike ngibone I development enye like drastically to a point ukuthi u assist I team now u-eda like that extra player because uyakhona ukuthi umphasa ibhola and uma umphasa akhona ukudlala futhi or akhona ukubona break window ashaye two pass assist kube ne goal uke wabo. So that's an improvement for me like handling nani ezinye zezinto ke lezo ngeke ngathi I don't think ukuthi ngaze ngisondele that much ukuthi okay ngithi ngizomrate ukuthi hayi no handling yakhe nani because mina into engithanda ngogoalkeeper ngithanda like how does the person reflect if maybe short then mawuqeda ukusave how do you now like ubuye futhi uzo maybe a rebound or into ezikanjalo. So for me na like kuleyo position leyo bekangakafiki like that much if sibheka maybe I prime kakhulu will maybe save ibhola la lihlale lapha someone abuye futhi akhona ukuthi aphinda yosave. So I haven't seen that like a good run or it's maybe because of it defense yakhe iba khona to rescue at that particular moment or something like that. But for me now Williams I think into engathi nje uyimasterile so far it's footwork yakhe that will include the distribution ukuthi okay uyakhona ukunderstand ukuthi okay now let me be a player ngiede if ibhola seliqala from emuva maba pressure I defense yami and then uyakhona ukuziavela akwazi ukudlala ibhola. If you check most ama Kaizer Chiefs goalkeepers if bashaya back pass ama fans we Kaizer Chiefs abamba ikhanda because they don't know ukuthi uzoyenza mistake or uzoyenzani or makasuka lapha uvela uyalidubula nje leshaya phambili akazi ukuthi liya kubani. But boma close to 90% amabhola asuka ku Williams aya ku player lakhe and ayoyenza something productive.
Yazi bengibona something oyikhulumile eye prime ukuthi maybe uWilliams sakafikile kule peak yakhe and now isikhathi somunye umuntu. I disagree. Reason being yazi I've followed uWilliams from Super Sport. Fortunately ngoba bengu goalkeeper so ngiyakhona ukuchama abo goalkeeper bangibukela ibhola. There was a final Super Sport I think bebadlala neVets. I don't think a lot of people bayibukela le final because iVets ne Super Sport. But mina nabangani bami sayibukela sayenza ilanga saphuma esamajida savashela omunye Soweto sahlala phansi sabukela ibhola. Yazi after the game I told my friends ukuthi watch this boy uWilliams loyo ngathi uyakude lo mfana lo because I was one of the fans abebathi hayi lentona le mara ngathi incane for ukuvimba yabo in but ngiloku ngiwabona ama game wakhe lapha ku Super Sport ngabona ukuthi hayi lo mfana lo yavimba up until ngale ya final ngaba convinced ukuthi lo uzoba goalkeeper yabo. So if I'm sure ambona ngalelo langa lelo bozocabanga ukuthi yi prime yakhe leya and after la sekuphelile yabo. Hence I'm saying akaqedi uWilliams usasemncane yabo usasena ama seasons amaningi yabo. Maybe if angahamba yodlala eMorocco angaya South Arabia asekuphelile ke sekuphelile. But la South Africa nase England nase France nase Italy nase Spain
abamchaya lapho mfana.
Ah, man. No, wena uyithatha ngale game yakudala sidlala neFrance bamkora 5 goals.
Hayi Brazil bamchamba embayi.
Bekasakhula.
No, besides.
So manje uma Williams manje. Williams unokusave amanye amabhola yazi unokungabi na sure ukuthi ulithintile ibhola. Uzobona nge-slow motion ukuthi ulithintile lela bhola.
Ngalena bakuchaya ngalena.
Hayi, ngala.
Okay, guys, moving on to our fourth topic. It's about Bafana Bafana and their international friendlies. So we saw some of the team already. Says Bonil Gutibazodala now which team. So just if I could just name a few for you, Ghana will play Germany, and also Egypt will also play Spain, and also Saudi Arabia. Tunisia has Haiti's, yes, and Canada, and then Ivory Coast will play Scotland, right? So those are just few teams that I have in Bone Amatima Zodlala now. So when we look at the Bafana side, we play the low-ranked teams like in the world or in the continent. I don't know, but like, what's your take on that? Because I think it's something as like, why every time my friend is to sit at teams like Lesotho, Swaziland, you know, where else is his face are like the biggest teams. Like, why can't we play big teams to prepare for big tournament? Because I think even Namaj we have the same teams like Esazodlala, like Ishuk
isho ukuthi iSouth Africa kahle vele thina siloku senza ilimo ukuya phambili siloku saqhubeka senza idididi because obviously mozobukela iBafana Bafana ishayile iSuthu 4-0 5-0 you will be like hayi Bafana hey they are getting there, they are there, actually we are going to beat, and labantu laba esithina esizmeasure ngabo abasi next kulento lesohlangana nayo. So I think it's something eyenziwe because they know with my friends actually abantu nje base South Africa they get used to whatever ekhona noma ngaze kuthiwe iBafana idlala neSwallows namhlanje mangabe iBafana Bafana iwinile sizo celebrate lana sigcwale sispend imali senzeni, but singa focus ku like the bigger pie ukuthi kahle iSwallows isiza ngani mangabe siyodlala neSpain. So the problem is we are easily convinced in South Africa.
All right, let me share a little information engiyaziyo ngama friend ne. Asithatheni team eranka lo njengeBafana Bafana ne team eranka lapha kuma top 10, top 20. The first stage ne, if iBafana Bafana you request friendly. 1, imali iBafana Bafana ezoyikhipha izoba yiningi. 2, iBafana Bafana yekuzomela travel. It's very expensive ukuletha a high quality team ukuthi ize kuwe. But it's more or less when amoya kuyo, but kudependa nokuthi yona iyavuma na. Because ama team amakhulu awafundlana ama team amancane, especially uma prepare. Yabo. So it's not easy for iBafana Bafana ukuthi ingathola ama big guns. You understand? We cannot blame ISAFA, we cannot blame whoever. We can only blame ourselves ukuthi thina asikhona ukuzipusha ukuthi sikhuphuke, because those big guns abakhona ukusirecognize. Akuna team enkulu ehayidlana neBafana Bafana. Because
ngivinjwa ukuthi uxolisile makakhatha. Ngivinjwa ukuthi uxolisile. iBafana Bafana used to play nama big guns before Hugo Bros. They used to play with those
No, that
teams.
was long time ago,
Yeah,
and bebarenka phezulu nyana. Even if you check Africa, bebaku top 20, top 10.
But which position we AFCON before the last one. So I mean, angeke ngiyenze like kube excuse lento leyo phungani. I think South Africa.
It's not an excuse, it's a fact. It's very difficult to udlala team enkulu team encane.
They have a lot of money. They have a lot of money that they are misusing.
Lot of money
they can inject Bafana Bafana kuma games Bafana Bafana nana. We could play friendly nabo France. We could play friendly nabo Bafana. They can do that.
That's where you will find if France let's beat team yayo. That's why we are complaining.
Okay, no.
Because it's like that. If you can request friendly France match, so rank as low as we rank match, angeke silale ne first team ye France.
Okay.
bazoletha i-under 23 yabo labantu labayana
But
then same fans abodumisani bazoya bacomplain ukuthi besifuna ukudlala neFrance basilethele i-under 23 yabo
ngiyavuma Ghost abodumisani yabona lo ngena eye bazocomplain lo no egcineni abodumisani they won't complain. You know why? Because of the name, the brand France, ne? Ama world champions nan. So it gives a certain thing, a confidence boost. Even if noma bangaletha i-C team France kule bafana le izoyidla still. Yabo. So it's the fact of igama. Then if sidlala ne-Spain siba nale nto leyo ukuthi okay then bafana idlale ne-Spain abambe Spain nge-draw then we see ukuthi khona la siya khona. But for now uyoshaya eBotswana khona manje ama-player adlala eBotswana abhizi ensimini le ayalima bazowabiza bathi hayi uzodlala ne-South Africa hayi mohadi nna khomutsa ka di jwang hayi akekho ke tla romela msadi wa ka alothiba angeke sizobhizi sizothi sizomeji bafana ngama-player waseBotswana or waseSwaziland. It can't be bafethu.
Ngicela nihambeni niyo researcher ukuthi for i-Sundowns ukuletha iBarcelona ngapha bakhoste malini. Nizo understand into engikhuluma ngayo.
But i-Sundowns ikhonile as a team yakhona. Abantu abo Vodacom bebaletha abo Manchester United lana bazodlala against abo
Kaizer Chiefs. i-Sundowns ikhonile.
So like
yazi i-Sundowns ikhonile because of ini. Ikhonile because of beyisesemepini. iBarcelona was wondering nayo ukuthi yipi le team ebathi Africa iwinile i-number 1 le team le iwini league kulandelana in yabo so babe nalento ukuthi asiki yodlala na just a team lapha so dlala ne team enkulu eAfrica yabo it's not easy guys ukuthola i-friendly game ne team enkulu whereas i-team yakho ya struggle.
It's a matter of making like build a rapport, build a relationship. Ajax Amsterdam and Ajax Cape Town, they played a lot of friendlies, those teams, because by building Leandro then like like seriously
So whatever le esetshenziswayo ngama pre-season ne like uthole Pirates yodlala eSpain, like can't they do that when it comes to Bafana like what's the difference? Because ngiyakuzwa ukukhuluma ngemali and I remember uHugo uke wayimention naye lento lokuthi it's costly for them to bring ama team amakhulu ukuthi azodlala nawo or even go to them, and I understood that time, but now I want to understand ukuthi if other people can do it, why is it so hard for a big organization like where like all the committees are slanging, like why it's so difficult for them? Like can't they do the same thing against Wayoguma pre-season? Even if we can get like your D team, your E team, your G team, it's fine, but like why it is so difficult for them?
Aware ukuthi ngibale ngathi ukutravela uyodlala nabo in their home grounds, it's more cheaper. 2, which team are they playing against? Bazodlala nama second division team for 3 games. 1 their professional league of which number 14 or number 15 last season. So I understand ukuthi yakuphi.
But still
it's not easy for Orlando Pirates. It's not easy for Orlando Pirates to fly here bayodlala friendly neBarcelona as ama fans bewasho ukuthi sidlala neBarcelona. Like umuntu owazi ibhola isaphuma nje so statement, you know ukuthi ayikho lento leya labantu labo. Ungakayiboni. Because it's not that easy, as I'm saying. Awuveli nje uvula amehlo uthi ayina Inter Milan masingadlala friendly nayo. Inter Milan is iyahamba inama plans wayo nayo.
Okay, ngale 2 minutes asele ne. Ngifuna maybe ungitshele your view ukuthi with this case, let's say we now understand that financially we're not capable of bringing and going whatever. Like yini ekumele yenziwe when it comes to South Africa helping with the situation there, because okay, now we understand that we can't play other big teams or in, but to improve our own I don't know, like confidence or whatever thing, like Singenzani at this case.
We need to win games.
Which games?
All of them.
Swaziland.
Which games is that?
Swaziland.
Like whatever friendlies we have.
Even the cup competitions. We cannot afford ukudlala first round CAF, then that's it sekuphelile. Let's maintain the standard. Okay. Last time siphume kuma semi final. We went to the third and fourth playoffs, Sawin, Sapumo number 3. We must maintain. Bule AFCON, we were supposed to win a semi-final. That was the main target here today. Not to Sipume first round, they are knockout. It's wrong.
Point if Sipume number 3, and then obviously Nama rankings anyugile, that allows us now we can even challenge more better teams. But we did not do that.
No.
You cannot prepare for
Let me again share this information in Ngama ranks. You can win the AFCON now. Kule position bafana kuyo. You won't rank number 1. I sebenze kanjalo.
Yes.
I understand. So bafana losing on the semis doesn't mean bakhuphuke nje kakhulu. Yabo? Just 5-6 teams.
I understand that. So I'm saying, Guti, we shouldn't now challenge. And it is from actually 5 places. We shouldn't challenge the same teams. Maybe so challenge Asila Paya is hands. Since you give 5 times now, let's get at least better opponents as is of practice now. Because now we want to go up there, but it's is measure. It doesn't make sense.
I practice Israel. You can't play Malawi and Rwanda, Zimbabwe. We are AFCON. Semi-final. You think you are better. You must go back and see if you see fluke team now. Because you may find that Bafana. Isha Rwanda 2-0. Away game. They come back here but they throw 1-1. You understand? So that's why you need to play again and again and again. Nala team now up until you reach a certain level where yes. Ama team apuma ku World Cup now aqale lapho.
Just because of time, I valid this topic, ne. But personally, I think Bafana has to do better. Like that's just my viewpoint. Good, I think even we AFCON must be like most of the former team football players. We welcome about our weaknesses, which is us not having players abadala. Like on the other leagues, like go League 1 and stuff, you understand? Like, so, like, local affecta. Now we have to play low-ranked teams with the people that we have. So, to me, it's like, still. I understand everything, but I just think the association has to do better when it comes to that. We can't be having... we can't be playing small teams, right? And also, like, put in mind, which we don't have anyone on that other side. Because right now, so you're with people, asebazana, like I just mentioned few of the people, like, already, sebaba trainee, with, like, equality, like, they know the quality of the players, or the team quality. Also, on top of that, those players, bazala, in those leagues, so most of our players, Angas Niti Pirates, then the Sundowns, there's no one on you know. Like if you know Mbogas, there's a thing, it's not that better or high ranked or something. So it does affect us or might affect us. Vela, we're not going to win this World Cup, but if we had we had players about that side, or we played teams cool, probably we might have pushed maybe to Sipume Guma group stages, unlike Utispelele Guma group stages. That is just my take, and I'm going to next. No more so moving on.
Association, not to the done. Whether Germany, Italy, France, Spain, Argentina. If Ntoli proposal, there's a team from Africa, if being a quarter final with AFCON.
No, you can't say. It will depend on how much like they are putting. Then, if you want something, they should put more money. They should give them.
London kala ngayo nina A class. Ukuthi wena lesa nama team rank low ufunda lapho. Same thing nami. Ngithi ngifuna team ebeku ma quarter final going forward.
Okay, Jordan. Moving on to our fifth topic. It's about Dr. Danny Jordan and the SAFA leadership. So reports suggested that the Dr. Jordan is planning to run for the 4th term at SAFA. which brings a tough question in terms of do we need the continuation, or the South African football is desperate for fresh ideas or new leadership. So I want to hear your view, guys. We don't have much time left, but just highlighting your views in terms of this thing. Yoguti, like he's running for the 4th term. We don't have much time
Let me be
left.
as straight as I can.
Yes.
In everything, in all departments, we need change. Thank you.
Yeah. Akahambi. Like seriously, no. So lokhu siqhubeka sidlala nabo Zimbabwe, akahambi. Mina I've been complaining anyway. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nifakile le topic. Akahambi uDeni Jordan. uDeni Jordan akasenzeli next. Into abayaziyo ukubosha imali bona balokhu ba busy bantu bahamba bayobukelana. Omunye uhlala kuphi uhlala eDubai. Makaqeda uyafly uya kuphi mara ama player wethu aya struggle. Abahambi
So
laba.
guys, do you think like we have abanye abantu like better candidate than him?
Yeah, I think we do have.
Baningi. Khona abantu abaqualify for le nto leya. Khona abantu abawodokotela ngwemfundo for le nto leya yenza uDeni Jordan naye udokotela ngokuthi ugogo wakhe wanqamula unyawo kuphi alwelana neSouth Africa. Hayi, akahambe lo mkhulu. Akahambe. Hayi.
Okay.
ngabe ngizene nebhodi lana. Akahambe. Hayi, akahambe.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sohlala isikhathi esingaka, but the last topic it's about Hendrik shining after Real Madrid exit. So we saw ukuthi is it Hendrik, ne? Yeah. Who is like has been reportedly shining at his new club after being released by Real Madrid, ne? So I want you guys to touch on in terms of, do you think sometimes a change of environment for a player is a need in this case, yeah, you know? And also, do you think big clubs don't always mean the right fit? Like you can be a star or play for a big club, but like what's your view or your take? Or
There's a difference between Real Madrid and Olympique Lyon in Kulugabi. And I think Hendrik, okay, he's a good player, but not good enough for Real Madrid. And the other sad part, abo coach abamthandi. I don't know why. Even when you think ukuthi kule game bangamfaka just ukuthi athole game time nani abamfaki yabo. So last time besikhuluma ngomkwena noRele about moving emathimini wabo ukuthi maybe kuzobapha le nto leya ukuyabona. I think it's the same thing eyenzakalayo manje ngoHendrik. Yabo, sometimes uyadinga change environment if izinto azikusebenzeli ngale. Ungahlala eteamini just because iteam inkulu and ikubhadala kahle. It's about i-career yakho, yabo, because ungahlala eteamini ungatholi game time. By the time i-contract iphela akunamuntu okufunayo because akunamuntu owaziyo, akunamuntu okwazi ukuthi udlala kanjani. But it's better if you are eteamini, even if noma ngabe incane udlale, yabo. If usaleng beyangafuni kuya ku-Orbit, wadecide ukuhlala ku-Pirates, wahlala ebenchini because i-Pirates i-team enkulu ngeke ahambe ku-Pirates nanani. I-Sundowns ngaba emthathanga, yabo. But uyile ku-Orbit wayosogola nabo, washine igame e-1, wadropa i-2, washine e-1 uku-Sundowns today, yabo. So kuyasiza sometimes.
yeah, you have 1 minute.
Wow, hey, iningi yo. Okay, I think sibe nayo lento lena ngabo Chivaviro last in terms of ukuthi I-player, I-philosophy like nanani. For Madrid